Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Doritos casserole. So for ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, what you need is 500 grams of beef. This is minced beef. I have a can of diced tomato with green chili, onion diced, green pepper diced. I have 1 cup of black beans, about 500 grams of cheese. The cheese that I use over here is Tex-Mex cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. If you like just cheddar, you can put cheddar. If you like Monterey Jack, you can just Monterey Jack. Here I have a sour cream, and in this one I have homemade taco seasoning. So for taco seasoning, I have a video that already out, so please check our video how to make this taco seasoning. And obviously, since this is a Doritos casserole, obviously you need a bag of Doritos. The one that I use is the nacho cheese. So now let's get to cooking. First thing first, you want to cook your meat or your ground beef until it's brown. So I'm using a medium heat over here, and this one is already hot. So make sure your pan is hot. So when you see all the beef is mostly browned, I want to turn up the heat to the high heat. And then I'm gonna add my green pepper and the onion. We're gonna saute this for about 5 minutes or until the vegetable is softened. So now, as you can see, my vegetable is beginning to soften. So now I'm gonna add the taco seasoning. So I have a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. And then I have a 1/2 cup of water. Just add it in. We're gonna mix this. We're gonna continue cooking. When it's all combined together, I'm gonna add my diced onion. Diced tomato. I'm gonna combine it. And then now I'm gonna add about 1 cup of sour cream. Now we're gonna mix this. Now when you see it's all mixed together, now we're gonna add beans slowly. We're gonna mix it. Okay, so now everything is mixed completely. I'm turning off the heat. And then now we're gonna move to our baking sheet and start assembly. Now we're at our baking dish. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to grease your baking dish with some oil. And then now the first layer, you want to put some Doritos. And the Doritos over here, I crush them lightly. So now you want to make sure it's layered properly. So you want to cover all the surface area of your baking dish with the Doritos. After this, we're gonna add our meat mixture. So when it's evenly like this, we're gonna add another layer of Doritos. Cheese. Now the meat. After everything's done, last layer of Doritos. And now the last layer is the cheese. Now we're gonna cover this with aluminum foil, and then we're gonna bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, between 20 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the results after 20 minutes. We bake it for 350. So now, since I want to crisp up the top layer, so I'm gonna put it in broil for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now let's do it. Alright, so this is the final result guys. So this one, we've been baking it with aluminum foil for 20 minutes. And then I remove the foil to crisp up the top. You see all the brownings on the top part. So I put it on broil for extra 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your oven. When you see, this is the final results. So now for the garnish, I'm gonna add a little bit of diced tomato. So you can spread them out, make them pretty. You can put salsa in it. You can put salsa verde, guacamole. It's to your likings. You know, be adventurous with your food. So I'm just gonna put it a little bit like this, and a little bit of cilantro. And there you go, your Doritos casserole is ready to serve. So that's it for our today's video guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe it costs you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.